What is up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto. Xander is out for the day, so you just got me. But something I wanted to talk about was the big Bitcoin crash last night. So Bitcoin dropped to as low as 12,000 at one point last night, and everything in the top 100 was down. Literally everything was down. There was two things that weren't down. Electronium stayed pretty high for most of the day, and then this new Burst coin came out on the scene, and there was tons of capitalization going into it, and it was positive, and people were FOMOing into it throughout the day and everything like that. But if you had Bitcoin last night, it was a bunch of great buying opportunities. Pretty much anything you wanted to buy was on a dip. And a lot of people couldn't get their Bitcoin onto these exchanges because Coinbase was having ridiculous volume going through it, and they were disabling buys and sells and all kinds of crazy stuff. Some weird, kind of sketchy stuff going on with Coinbase. I don't know if it was just volume or if they were just trying to stop people from panic selling. But the market cap was super, super low. I believe it hit 500 billion at one point, maybe a little bit less than that. It's back up to 547. Jeff from Altcoin Buzz, if you're not following him, definitely subscribe to his channel. Really good news on his channel, but he said that he was getting a little worried. However, if it did reach 550 billion again, then everything would kind of start to go back to normal. As you can see, we're sitting at 547. And as we scroll through, everything seems to be moving back into the green. Stellar's still down, but let's look at Stellar. Stellar's something that I'm really big on. I really like this program. I like the people who are involved in it. And it's one of the cryptocurrencies I'm heavily, invested in. 24-hour volume. Let's see. Going through here, you can see the percentage of everything, and you can see where the money's coming from. That's something really cool about this. You can see exactly what exchanges people are going on to put all this money in. So you can see Zcash, for instance, is very popular on Bitfinex. Let's see if this will ever load back up. Okay, where are we at? Where are we at? Stellar. Okay, so Stellar Lumens, we're looking at 24-hour volume, and it is 159. So that's pretty good. It's a little bit higher than Cardano. Obviously, a lot less than some of these other coins, but not bad. I think Stellar's due for a run. They've had several meetings and things throughout the year, throughout the end of this year, and I think that early 2018 they're going to have a big run. So that's a little tip for me. Something I also got into today was Tron. I got into Tron on a dip. It was relatively low. And yeah, it was at 3 cents when I bought it. So Tron is one that's becoming very popular. I kind of got a hot tip on that one. So we'll see what it does. Everything's starting to come back into the green. Money's starting to flow back into the market. So that's a good sign after everyone was panicking and going crazy. I think Christmas is going to be big for cryptocurrency, to be honest with you guys. If we do continue to see a dip, then there will be lots of buying opportunities. But I think the dip's over. 24 hours, and I think the dip's over. Nearly everything is back in the green, which means people stopped freaking out, and they went back and continued to put their money in. And obviously, with that much money being taken out, there was definitely some whales involved, and I think over the next couple days leading up to Christmas, you're going to see this number go back into the 600 range, and it might take to the new year. So don't quote me on Christmas time. It might take to the new year for that to hit 600 billion again. but you never really know. Let's go ahead and go into the recently added. Let's see what we've got here. So you can see a couple of these tokens definitely have some room to grow and definitely have a high 24-hour volume like this. Look at that, 68 million in ALF right there. That's big. That's a big for a currency that's that new to the market. So that's one I would definitely consider taking a look at. That's probably going to have a run soon. Let's see. Gifto. I'm not really. I read through the white paper on Gifto. I couldn't really get into it. Pretty much virtual gifts for, entertainers or whatever online. And I like programs that have a strong backing, and I couldn't get behind that. But anyway, we're getting a little off track. So basically what I wanted to make the video about was just talking about how Bitcoin crashed yesterday and how everything is appearing to be moving back up in the right direction. Everything's pretty much green right now. So certainly not the bull market that we were in a couple days ago, but I think by the new year that will change. That will change drastically. Tell me what you guys think about everything going on with cryptocurrency right now. Is Bitcoin going to continue to go down, or is it going to start trending back up like we're seeing right now? You guys let me know down below in the comment section. As always, thanks for keeping up with crypto.